Hey guys, it's been a little while since we checked in, and today I have a project I want to reveal that I've been working on. And if you didn't know, I am in education. I work in the field and I really like what I do. And I've been focused lately on building tools that actually make the jobs of teachers a little bit easier, but without putting too much focus on technology. So I have a review game that I want to show you today because it's really cool how it works. It takes something that teachers have been doing in classrooms forever and just gives them a really easy and intuitive and quick way of doing that. So I want to show you my trivia game that I developed here and how it works and what you can do to get it. So here on screen we have the sort of load up message that happens when you first open this HTML file, and this is all it is. It's a standalone HTML file and it's asking you for the link to a Google Sheet. So one of the things that is sort of a barrier is, for teachers at least, is getting these types of games set up. So I made a Google spreadsheet template, and the way it works is in blue and red here you have your two game boards, and of course this is going to be a Jeopardy-like game where there's 5 categories, 5 sets of questions. So the first board is going to be this blue one, the second board for second round here is going to be the red one, and then there's a final question in green over here. The categories are in bold. And then down each column is the questions that fit into those categories with point values going up from 100 all the way to 500, or in the double round from 200 all the way to 1,000. And notice too, in each cell, it ends with the actual answer that's formatted as answer colon and then just the answer. So all you got to do to make this game board get pulled into the game is share your spreadsheet to anyone with the link, and then you just have to copy that link and paste it into the actual game and just click next. From there, you just have to pick how many players you want to play the game. We'll just go with 3, and you can even set a timer for each round where it'll give you a countdown. So if you know exactly how much time you're working with, you can use that in the game and sort of set the timer up to make sure you get through each round as quickly as you need to. And then you just start the game and it pulls up the game board for you. There are your categories atop the game board, and then this is the board. And all you got to do as you go through, as you run the class, if you're the teacher, you're just, hey, this kid says, I want the scientific revolution for 200. You click on the 200, and there is the question. Depending on which group is answering, it'll add the points, subtract the points for you, and when you're done and somebody gives you the answer, even if it's not the exact answer you're looking for, you can click that show answer button, and that's where it pulls in the answer and gives you the answer, at least for the students to then see on screen. You just click the back to board button afterwards, or if you click maybe a group got it right, there you go. It takes you right back to that to the game board itself, and you can go ahead and progress on through. Now there's the double round. If you get through the first round, you go on to the double round. It gives you a prompt, says, hey, are you sure? And you're like, yes, I am sure. So you go ahead and click through to the next round and double point totals. And again, it pulls in the next game board, that red game board now for round 2. And eventually you'll get to the final question where it'll give you the category. You enter wagers. You can wager the amount of points up to the amount of points that you actually have per group. And then you can show the question. The groups will answer the questions. And then once you've collected the answers, you can go through and mark who got what correct. And then you'll show the final scores at the end. It gives you a leaderboard. And then ultimately, you just reset back to the beginning and you can start again. And at any time, if you decide that you want to change the link because you don't want to delete your questions, you just want to change the link to get a different game board, all you got to do is at the bottom, click that reset link button, and it starts you back over and you just put in the new spreadsheet. So long as it is shared with anyone with the link, it's going to pull that into the game and allow you then to actually play the game while not having to delete all of your game boards. You can actually keep them separate for each unit or lesson that you're going to use this with. super simple. Like I said, this is one HTML file. You just download the HTML file and run it in a web browser of your choosing, and there it is. It runs everything else for you and sort of does it automatically for you. Has some instructions embedded as well. The how to use link is here, kind of talks you through how to set up a brand new template, or you can just make copies of the game board and then swap out the questions as you go along. It's a very easy to use game that works really, really well, and I wanted to offer it out there for anybody that is looking to play a game. It's not going to be expensive. Right now, I'm offering this for $5 on Patreon, link down below in case you're interested in actually downloading this and using it in your classroom, or even just using it for fun as a fun way to review. It's going to be there. This is sort of a new venture I'm doing, so join me over there. I welcome feedback, and of course I can update the game as I do start to get feedback from it, but that is the pitch, that's the game, and of course I'll be working on other similar type of just easy review games that teachers can use, that they can pull into their classroom for not a lot of money, and hopefully make their lessons a little bit more engaging, especially as they review for tests, quizzes, and that sort of thing. So that's the new venture. I'm Shane with Hoosier Hardware. I hope to see you over on the Patreon to actually play around with these games, but otherwise, I will see you all in the very next video.